I got a question. What's the drinking age? Legal drinking age?
18.
18? Caribe Hilton, that's what it's called. I can see my hand under it. Yo, this is exactly why I hate sand. It's all stuck in my. I want a whole bottle of Absolute vodka.
You want a whole bottle? No, you don't want a whole bottle.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I know I'm looking crazy, but this is the last full day here. I gotta show you how to view every morning. You feel me? But yeah, it's the morning. I'm about to get ready. I gotta go to breakfast. My mom and my sister waiting for me. Man, I'm tired. I don't sleep. I look crazy. I'm about to brush my teeth, so I'm gonna catch y'all in the field. What's up, y'all? I'm on my way to breakfast. Oh, I got some. What's up, y'all? We on our way to breakfast. I'm tired. I don't know why, but I'm tired. I'm eating breakfast right now. My eyes looking crazy. My mom and sister probably was sitting there upset because I've been supposed to be at breakfast. I'm tired. And she said it's like buffet style, so you can eat all you want over there, but you can't bring it out the room. So I have to get my butt up and, you know, move. Yo, look at the view. I see this view like 10 times already. I know y'all not tired of it, because I'm not tired of it. They even got a piano out here. For those of y'all who didn't know, I could play the piano. Look. That's a little sunshine. I'm a little rusty. I don't know if I'm supposed to be touching that because of COVID, but yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all.
Did you see the silver?
No, is that Sarah right there?
Is it not?
I mean, I think so. I see why I told me to record.
Huh?
I see why I told me to record. It don't look like that. But yeah.
It don't look like this.
I mean, it's alright. No, I'm talking about the fruits. But it's breakfast. I'm with the breakfast.
Mad late. We ate already. Now we're gonna sit here and watch you eat. Mad late all the time.
I told you guys.
The time management problem.
What did I tell you guys?
You're like your dad and your grandfather. You're worse than my dad.
Your lips looking crusty.
Your face is nasty.
I'm not even gonna zoom in on your face for that one, but
Overstretching your face.
I'm about to eat. I don't know if I'm gonna use food, but let me catch y'all. Yo, y'all couldn't finish my food.
Yeah,
Look at my food. I couldn't finish my food. It's not that edible. But a lot of y'all. How you like your food? How you like your food? How you like your food? How you like your food?
It was okay. I didn't eat much.
It wasn't that good. If she says that, it wasn't that good.
It's crazy. You gotta wipe things. Thank you.
Catch y'all, it's too early. Yo, look, y'all, they got Morton's. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's Morton's Steakhouse. This is how the whole place look. If I haven't showed y'all, if y'all haven't seen it, or tune into my other vlog, or my other videos of my church house, man. They got a whole bunch of stores on the side, so like souvenir stores. They got a Starbucks. Got some little breakfast, ice cream, smoothie place. They got mad stuff. Look, there's more stuff down there. It's a little. All I gotta say is that thing is stangin'. We headed to the beach. Let's get it away. Hey. We headed to the beach. Oh, why do you have shades inside? On the side.
You shades too.
That's besides the point, but I'm not understanding. Why they got shades on this side? I don't like the beach. If you like the beach, you weird. If you don't like the beach, smack that like button. I don't like nothing about the beach. Look at my beach fit. I ain't matching really, but man. Oh. Pull up in there. Let's go, Draco. Draco, she make it. We both the same. Draco, she make it. She make it. I'ma catch her. I hope y'all seen that. I don't like the beach like I told you. The sand, it's not for me, not my friend. I got a question. What's the drinking age? Legal drinking age?
18.
18? It's 18? Huh?
18.
18.
And if you're asking, that means you gotta show me an ID.
Yes,
I'm 20.
but you're supposed to take
I'm just not 21 yet.
Can I get a
I want a whole bottle of absolute
You want a
vodka.
whole
No,
bottle?
you don't want a whole bottle.
You
I
want a whole
can't,
bottle of water.
I can't even have absolute anymore.
Do you have like a frozen pina colada?
Pina colada is frozen.
Yes.
Yeah.
So virgin? Or
No. With?
You want with?
with?
754 and it's a dual.
But we at the beach right now. Thank you, Arlene. Oh, my toes. I'm on the beach. Beaching. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey guys, I'm in class.
She in class right now. That's that virtual learning stuff, even though she's not really learning.
It's a alumni panel.
Alumni panel, what's that?
When the alumni come talk to us, it's college and career.
Oh. But, yeah, this, so if you come to the, what's it called? Caribe Hilton? Caribe Hilton, just the beach is right there. So the hotel is like right behind us. Yeah, basically, the hotel is right behind me. So, come to Puerto Rico, I recommend the Caribe Hilton, or however you pronounce it. I'll probably put it right there. That's how it look. Just the view of the beach. If y'all see my other vlog, or later on, earlier in this vlog, you'll see the pools. And it's literally, the pool is literally right behind over there. Right behind this. So everything is literally in your reach. So if you want to come here, yeah, because a couple people been asking me, I post my Instagram about where to stay when it comes to Puerto Rico. You know that. So telling y'all where it is. I'm gonna catch y'all when my drink come, because I ain't going in the water. Don't like sand. So I'm gonna catch y'all. Our drink came. So what, pina colada? But it don't taste like it got any like alcohol in it. We gonna see though. That last drink, add a little something in there, even though it ain't taste like it. Bro, this person right here takes the worst pictures ever. Don't ever in your life, ever ask her to take your pictures. Ever in your life. I hate saying so much. It's like, the water is so clear, I can see my hand under it. Yo, you coming? We about to take these pictures, I'm gonna catch ya. Yo, yeah, I'm about to, I look like, I don't know if I can see, but I got a little fat on me right now. My chest looking a little flat, so next vacation, well, I'm going to where? I'm going to Mexico. So yeah, I told you I'm going next vacation. I'm gonna take some beach pictures. I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna do workout twice a day on my stomach. And I'm gonna go to the gym and do some bench press. Yes, fast. I'm gonna do that move. Yeah, next time I go to Mexico, I'm taking pictures of the beach because I'm looking a little like out of shape. But I'm still looking beach ready for me. Just not like, I don't know. Nah, she still got it for worst picture taker ever. Why you not showing your face? Why you not showing your face? Why you not showing your face? Show your face. Worst picture taker ever. Like, she'll take a picture as off guard. I don't get it. I love the beach. The yeeks is out. Should I get the yeeks out? I'm not even gonna lie, I'm never doing that again. I'm sorry for doing that. I look like a weirdo doing that. I couldn't see, but it was out. It was really out. Look at them over there taking pictures. Facts. You gotta know who that is. If you see the picture on Instagram, go like that picture. Facts. But back to you. I'm talking to you. The vlog is talking to you.
I don't want to talk to you.
They're talking to you, not me.
I don't want to
They're
talk.
talking to you.
I don't care.
Where?
I don't want to talk.
Yo, I thought I escaped the pictures in New York. I'm gonna catch y'all. This is exactly why I hate sand. It's all stuck in my socks falling. We done at the beach. We about to go back outside. These Puerto Rican streets. Oh, they hiring. I might move out here, get a job in Puerto Rico. You know, in the cut. Nobody ever gonna see me. Yo, see your person right here? Takes the worst pictures ever, I swear.
Leave her alone.
Why you keep moving?
Leave her alone.
How am I being annoying?
Leave her alone.
I guess. Ooh. What you see? All of the swans. Gotcha. Right now. My phone dead. Bumba clock. That's a black swan. And white swans. With a duck. Oh, they got ducks? Look at all this. Nice views, nice views. So this is called the Caribe Hilton. Facts, facts, facts.
Or is this on here like that?
That's a real turtle. Oh snap. My son chilling on a rock. Yeah, I see you. Back up, I'll spit on you. Stop playing with me.
Who are you talking to?
Talking to the duck. That's a white swan, black swan, brown swan. Oh, that's a duck. That's a duck. Aflac. Oh, thumbnail. Look mad oily. Oh, y'all wait for me? On the way. What is you looking at? Where? Are they dangerous?
On the ground. No.
Y'all, you sure they're not dangerous? Yo, they really outside. Oh, oh! I'm on my Stevie Wonder, Ray Charles. I got y'all. I forgot how to play it. KB, well, K Charles, Stevie B, that's my name. Say it, don't spray it. Don't say it too close. Can't even really see. I'm coming. Oh. We about to step out. Now you wouldn't be my vlog, no. We about to step.
Don't put me in a vlog like yet.
Out. Look, you want me to camera?
It's blurry. I look cute. Guys, look at my outfit. He picked it. He dressed me today.
Blizzy, 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 blizzy. You got money. We about to go outside. I'm gonna show y'all the view. It never gets old. Never gets old. But we about to go back on the strip in these Puerto Rican streets. You feel me? Looking like Stevie Wonder. I can see through the hate, but y'all can't see through me. If that makes sense. Same views again.
The bitch ain't gonna call you back. I didn't say